So sorry. It's only this one that will get network here. It's only this particular one that will get network, this particular phone. So the network will not be friendly. I mean, the camera will not be friendly. This is the only one that can, my phone, the one that can get network here now. Eziokwu. This is my phone, the one that can get network here. So as you can see, I'm almost in the village. I'm almost in my village now. So I'm almost in the village now. I had to get back home here now. There was need for me to come here now. There's need for me to come here because of my traditional ruler. One, let me just put it this way: a traditional ruler called me, invited me to come. Says there are complaints against me, so that's why I came home. And says he has to see me now. That's why I'm honoring the invitation. Now, before I will go there and apologize before the traditional ruler, I want to apologize here first. I want to start apologizing here. I will apologize now before I will get to the place of the traditional ruler. So I have to apologize here. You know, we are all human beings. I have to apologize, okay? I have to apologize to you guys. My apology goes this way. Thunder Babu Okwano. Thunder Babu Okwano. My apology will come in my local Igbo language. Babu Okwano. Those of you who says I should apologize before it's too late, Thunder Babu Okwano. The whole ono. It is wrong for me to say Ebeligwe Babu Okwano. Ebeligwe Babu Okwa the whole ono. Oga traditional ruler Kogari, you know. I'm in the village. This is what I will repeat. I wish he will allow me. I wish the traditional ruler will allow me to stay on my camera. I will still tell him that I'm Sitonda Babu Okwano. Yes. One. While you are filing a suit against me, include this one that I said that you people grabbed our lands. A matter we won in the law courts. You people stepped into the land first. Make sure you include this one. If you don't include the Thunder Babu Okwano, Barrister Awo, I want you to be the one to lead the lawsuits. Be the lead counsel, because you fought so many battles. You fought that of Matthias, you did not win. You have fought that of Ijele, you did not win. Now, that of Governor Eziokwu Vow, Thunder Babu Okwano. Alorugom, I am highly exhausted for today. I'm not supposed to have this chance. So sorry guys, you know how bad it is in the community. Network will always be bad, okay? So I saw a post made by one Yeye lawyer and he tagged me that I will be sued and all that. Okay, I want you to be the one to lead, because he will fool. He will satisfied fool. I won't meet the busy abroad. Egara lotawa here. You didn't win trophy, ebe Matthias no. You didn't win trophy, ebe Udele no. Never won trophy in these cases. It is in this my side you want to win case. Dede. So it's through me that you want to win trophy. I just look you. Use your tongue, count your teeth. Because in the first place, all of Nona, they chat me. It is you guys that always chat me. It is you guys that always chat me. And many of you felt that I am this kind of person you guys will use. I'm not like that. I've made mistakes. When I made mistakes that I carried issues that never concerned me. I carried them on my head. I had to fight for people unnecessarily. And I didn't ask any of you to pay me. I didn't ask any of you to pay me. I was doing everything I was doing for you guys almost free of charge. Oh yeah. I know they know what thing they do, people. The same lawyer. One day I made a post, I made a video, even without mentioning name, and this lawyer ran into my inbox and started saying that that his daddy has ordered them to pick me up. I'm telling you what this man said to me. Daddy, can I call you back? I am busy now. Kambo achigi, oh, kambo achigi, sir. Biko. So, this lawyer, so he thought if he threatened me, I'll be afraid. The records are here with me, oh, the messages, the chat self, they are here with me. So he thought if he threatened me, I will fly. The same like this, I came back to the community and I called him on the phone. I also sent him a voice note that I see if he bless he they mad. And he respected himself. Now, since then, they are typing a means to climb on someone's shoulder to come and make case. Oga, go to court, oh. Now court will be the best thing we go help you. If you don't go to court, if you don't sue me, you're a fool. Sue me to court. Yeah, sue me to court. I want the same court to interpret a judgment for me. I want the same court to interpret a court judgment. Fabricators of lies, evil people. So I'm in the community. Don't fail, oh. Call your tiger base, tell anybody I'm here, I'm in the community. Come. Come at the community like this. Thunder Babu Okwage, the lawyer, Ebo barrister Mugu. One on the drag power torso for my community here. When you and people, when you and them follow come, I just want to use diplomacy, explain this thing to the world. But when need be, organ, me go rubbish you. Me and you know they play. Ask yourself, when I was running for elections and you invited me, I came and met you somewhere at a site. I came and met you there, and you suggested that my youth, Governor Tamsi Agagare, na men in Esokare, youth in Esokare, therefore now will influence. You lobbied me. I didn't do it. The Olodo you were busy ordering he did not also know. Now lay plans even about him. I need your Bible na your armpit. If I be fool, I for order my youth, they for do am. My case be that. But I know do am. I leave him, they claim King Kong from Gobala. I know do am. I leave him. I just leave him between him and God. Many of them they catch on a well, but I will just leave when I go my way. Many all of them they run for social media, I know. They catch on a well. They just walk, I go my way, leave you. Every day. That time self, you never they carry this your police, then we say they carry. And they see you stay there, they leave you. They walk, they go my way. I still believe say the other community where they slap that guy, where come they talk saying go shoot gun, they go shoot gun here. Now slap that guy, we make that guy react like that. I never investigate that thing, but if I investigate that matter, if he connects to you because you've already uttered that word. Ogami, let me ask you something. Let me ask you a question. You don't ask yourself, or have you asked yourself a question? Why? Anytime when me and you they talk, you see some of my boys then, that time I was running for chairmanship, many of them go there closer with their phone. Even if they keep on like this, do you think that they were just holding their phones? I was keeping safety and those records are intact. Don't fuck with me, oh. Don't fuck me and you know they play, oh. I know they for all those your no they do blackmail, but if you want me to deal with you, I go deal with you. I be Potako picking, oh. I go deal with you well. You go no say me. I no be Mugu. So they are just they look you. So you have the audacity. You sue me to call. Come on back for that place. If you want to sue me, do you need to talk? Sue me, or not go be the best for you, because if you carry your kangaroo police come and like this I dey community. That's why I show you for camera. Check the other video. I show you on the camera. Okay? I'm heading to Umobo now. Umuhit at Umobo. After Umobo now, I'll be coming back to Eziama. I'll be coming to Isinkwala. I'll be coming to Isinkwala now. You know my car. I'm coming there. So The best thing we God go do for you now, just use your court. Now court go fit come in now, go come over. But if you say now by you want to come and embarrass yourself, yeah, I'll come. Now live video I go do me and Dona with your paid police officers who know sabi their work. Me and Dona go there here embarrass ourselves. Well for this community. We will embarrass ourselves very well here for camera. Nonsense people. Anybody wanna see una go dey threaten the talk anyhow. Thunder babu ogi that place. My apology is Thunder babu ogi there. My apology remains that Thunder babu ogi there.
Director. Don't come back. This is Ala.
So if you want me to embarrass ourselves, we embarrass ourselves. If all of us they create as soon as they try to provoke us, we no go like them. But we try to respect ourselves. And I don't see and say many of them are very stupid. And they this jam all of them every day. Not they want to enter this territory. I know they know. And they know, but I they look you, just keep quiet. You go run finish, you go back to your place, you come back here. I see they look you, they talk nonsense. Thunder babu opage. Afonso lawyer. Thunder babu opage that place. You will go call my community like this, you go there humble, yeah. You go for internet, you go become king come, you go call me for phone, they threaten me. Say your daddy don't say me, they sue me, that they should bring me to court. Thunder babu opage there. You're lawyer. Thunder babu opage. You feel spy jele. Make I begin talk the things then way. So many, if I play my conversation with you for social media, if internet no bust into 2 man die that day. Okay. This blogger, you want catch him. This one, I want catch him. Now me quench everything. I swear with this story. Now me quench everything. Now me saying a lie. But because I keep, if I open my evidence here, my conversation with you for here, play them. Real life, you'll be shocked. When I wait, I beg you, I don't reach where they go. Then finally, can't stand my today I put on na this soil I alone. This soil I alone my father, this soil I alone my great grandfather silly. I know they make you get as they use make my own trouble. You will be that zealous lawyer to them my bugonu today. My bugonu no put today. My bugonu no put today. And we 300 and the remaining days of this year is okay. I will pick only about 90 days. I will pick only about 90 days. Go everything. Count all your blessings now. Count all of them. Name them one by one. Then I give you 90 days from now. You can hold a repercussion for even mentioning my name because I want you going to get too overzealous. It is you now can match a first. Don't fail to go to court. Don't fail. Collect money as usual. Collect money as usual. I never want to open your. If I open my mouth talk here, the world will go shake. I never even talk when they shake. When they try to the patch, when person never talk anything. You people are trying to patch here, patch here. What are you trying to patch, guy? What are you waiting to try patch now? That big man, Barrister Francis, sit one corner there. You come on, sit down. Sit down one place there. You normally you know fit challenge me. Come on, get out. Yeah, man. Sense you no get. You wear suit with 3 persons suppose we are go Abuja. I think say go jail you jail. I think say for convict time. At the end of the day, you run come back on the site. Now to make post to challenge Governor Eziokwu for internet. Thunder babu okwage because it is I go begin shiba for you. Thunder babu okwage. No fail to go court to. Because you are even part of their problems there. I did my own, oh, God Almighty bear me witness. I swear by this car. I was on my own, oh, they will be having issues, oh, in the community. They try to use my brothers, them. I will still say no. Obama not try this kind of thing. if I had allowed the evil they were trying to perpetrate amongst themselves, our soil here. But I no agree. I no agree. Nonsense people. Now to come, you want to use me shine. Thunder Babu give that place. Check your WhatsApp. Go back to your WhatsApp. Check your conversation with me. The reason this thing I told you. The first day where you there where the level sand, I come. We were about six people were following me, and I came in. You were talking. One came closer. Use your head. Yeah, man. Yeah, you think I don't have sense? You think I don't have sense? So many of the court proceedings against Ijele those days. Were you not the one sending it to people? Were you not the one escalating it to people? Were you not the one sending it to people? Is that the best way? Behave childishly and you are there talking nonsense. I thought you are a matured man. No say you load yourself. No say not everybody in Canada. We don't go Canada get sense. Olodo. Can you talk when I'm talking on a normal ground? Come on back for that place. And for you, we say you will not let the matter slide. You will do this and that. Come and go to court, oh boy. If you're hiding under them, they will disappoint you because I'll rubbish all of them together. You open your mouth, say you were once a pastor. Now that man you were under his church. Go and ask, do your findings. Who is that man to me? By the way, just they open your eyes now. Who is that man to me? Ask that man his maternal home.